What's up? Welcome back to Piggy Garage. If you're tuning in for the first time, thanks for tuning in. Sorry I took a little, hiatus from YouTube for a little bit. Working on, going through some personal stuff, just inner demons and depression. But yeah, I mean, it is, I think it is Men's Health Month or Mental Awareness Month. And yeah, see a therapist, talk to someone. If you're going through something like a hard time or something, you can message me. My email address is actually my Instagram. Just message me on Instagram, Piggy Garage, and you can shoot me a DM, and I'll give you my number, and you can just talk to me. I know what it's like not to have someone to talk to, so yeah, get help, talk to friends, family. A lot of us men in this generation, keep things in. I know I always kept things in, but it's good to, let things out and talk about things. And it's really helped me through the last month of, some hard times, going through some personal stuff. But yeah, just get out there, talk to someone. I'm there for any of you guys. If you guys need someone to talk to, I'm there to help. I'm literally a phone call away. Just shoot me a DM, or if you have email and you don't have Instagram, my email is pickyourgarage@gmail.com. Just send me an email, and I'll give you my personal number, and you can just give me a call if you want to talk through something. I'm always there for any of you guys. So without further ado, back to the garage. We finally got the floors finished. As you can see behind me, we went with full flooring. We even came out and did the concrete outside. They have a special film on the outside, so it's actually slip resistant and doesn't corrode. It does have a lifetime warranty, which is good as well. So if anything ever happens, it will be covered under that lifetime warranty. But yeah, we're super pumped that we got it done. We also got around the side done as well. We went with the darker flake just because the inside of the garage is so white. We wanted to kind of break it up a little bit, so we went with an extra black flake. If you look at it, we have black, gray, and white. It's a 3 flake system. Pretty much the steps, it's an all-day process. The guys come early in the morning and stay all the way until about 9 p.m. at night because everything has to flow and you can't, let things sit. So pretty much they prep the floor, wipe the floor down, sand it down, any high spots, anything like that. Then you get to mix the flake pattern, which we chose, like I said, the black, gray, and white. You can pick between any skew of colors. And then once they mix it up, they pretty much throw the flakes in a pile. And that's where you can kind of like throw it out and see what your what your floor, the coating on the floor will look like. We ended up going with more black, like I said, just to pull away from all of the white walls. We are getting a gray lift, so that's why we went with a little bit of gray flakes. But you can add red, green, whatever you really want to do. So then they spread the flakes all around, and after that sits, they add a top coat and just pretty much spread that out, and then it has to cure for a day. But yeah, this is the finished product, guys. I'm kind of excited that we went with going all the way out, doing the concrete slab. I don't know if you guys remember. If you check out some of my other videos, you can see the concrete floors, or the concrete came all the way out to what you see now is coated, the same as the garage. But yeah, it's pretty sick. Here, I'll put the garage doors down so you can see what it looks like without any of the sunlight. But yeah, it takes about a day to get done. Like I said, they come in the morning and stay all the way through the afternoon. They stayed till about 10 in the morning, or 10 p.m. So really late, but yeah, it's awesome. And it actually is, textured. So it's not like smooth and soft. It actually has like little ridges and whatnot that you can feel. So it gives you like some grip, and it's super easy and durable. Or super easy to clean up. So if you spill oil or anything, you just wipe it up with a rag. And if you, drop a wrench or a hammer, it doesn't impact or damage the concrete, which is really, really cool. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about the floors. if you like how they turned out, or if you have any questions at all, I can answer them. I forget what it cost. I'll have to get back to you guys on that. I'll put it in the description or something if one of you guys remind me. But yeah, it's really cool. I'll show you all the corners all around. And then, so it also pulls in the black. What we wanted to do was the black on the floor pulls in with the lights. Let me turn them off. You can see the fixtures are black, and then the fans are black as well, the industrial fans. But yeah, super pumped that we finally got them done. Next on the list is air compressor, lift. I think the lift comes this Thursday, so in a couple days, and then blacktop driveway, and we should be pretty good. Then bench and some other things, some little things. But yeah, the garage is finally coming along. Really proud, or really happy with how these floors turned out.
Never felt so alive in my life, 'cause you make me come to life every time I'm free. Oh, and I'm loving all that you do. Can't you see?